Hey guys, welcome back to Thehobbyfarm Homestead. Today we are finally going to pour the concrete up the hog barn. Before we get started on all that, I want to show you our meat birds that have come in. I didn't get to film them because when we first initially got them, because I was working up at the hog barn and getting things done up there, and she brought them down here and did the whole 9 yards. But I'm going to go ahead and show them to you, and we'll follow them growing up and all that good stuff. Now I just put a couple boards on top here. We are supposed to have some cold days here in the next 6 days or so. I just want to try to keep some of that heat in there, just to help them out a little bit. They look pretty healthy this year. Last year we just had a few that just, they just weren't very healthy, so they didn't make it. But all 50 of these guys, they look pretty good. Like I said, we go to the hatchery and pick them up the day they're born, so they're right out of the egg. But anyways, that said, I'll make a full video on them and just show you everything we got going on there. But for right now, it's concrete time at the hog barn, and we are going to get things done up there finally. So I'll catch you guys up there. All right guys, we're up here at the hog barn, and we're setting grade. Actually, we're just setting the forms. We already got grade. We can do a little tamping and pull some string, get that all done. And then concrete will be here today about 2 o'clock, and I'll put that on time lapse. That should take about an hour to pour, and then I'll show you the after we get it all done poured. So, but right now, like I said, we got grade set pretty well through here. We did that yesterday. I didn't really have enough time to do a lot of filming, so we'll use these 2x4s here to set the form on the outside right here. And then I got some cattle fence I'm gonna put down for wire. Might as well use it up. It's just sitting around. Like I said, guys, this is only only for the pigs, so it doesn't have to be spectacular, but I want it to be somewhat strong. So but we're gonna go ahead, and I got one more post to cut down there, but my sawzall caught on fire. So my buddy just went to go get a sawzall. So we'll get that one cut down, and then we'll set these forms, and I'll get back to you.
How do you even work that?
Okay guys, it's the next day. We got the concrete poured and everything. I'm gonna let it set up for a little bit longer and pull these forms probably tomorrow. And that's about it. I haven't done that in a long time, and that was pretty rough on me, to straight edge all that concrete, but you know, it's a good exercise. I'll go ahead and show it to you now. What do you think, Wyatt? Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. It's been a long 3 days getting this stuff poured. So the next step is to get the back wall lined and then get some pins built. So I will take you along for that and show you, you know, where we're gonna get the pins and how we're gonna do those. They're gonna look pretty much the same as the other ones that we have here, just to keep everything uniform. But yeah, so that's one big check off the checklist. So, all right guys, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one.